Hello, 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 everyone. It's me, it's your girl, Sia Knight, the mobile notary mentor, and I am here to share with you as we go into 2022, 22 tips for new or newer notaries. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to break this list up. I don't want to overwhelm you with too much, but I do want to start by giving you five at a time. Okay, we're going to do five tips at a time. And these are things that are actionable and that you can kind of get started with right now. Okay, so it's no time like the present. And one thing that I want you to know is I'm going to give you, this is designed to be a quick list. But if you want more information about this, you can join me with the new Notary Workshop that is coming late January. So if you're watching this before January 22nd, 2022, join us for the new Notary Workshop. But let's get started. I'm just going to count this down 1 to 22. I'm not going to do anything fancy. So the first tip that I have for newer notaries is to be careful about what you name your business. Now, sometimes people get stuck. They get really obsessed with the naming of their business. And while it is an important part of what you do and how you present yourself, it's not the only thing, but you do want to be strategic about what you name your business. There are two tips here I want to kind of bring to light. Number one, make sure people don't have to guess what you do when they hear the name of your business. So initially, I named my business Nova Pro Signing Service, which was good. It was appropriate at the time because I thought I was going to be doing more of the real estate signings as a loan signing agent. But as I have moved and evolved to doing mostly general notary work, I moved to it being Nova Pro Mobile Notary. I mean, that's pretty simple. Mobile notary. Notaries, I didn't know notaries were mobile. Yes, they are. And here is a particular company for you. So that's one thing I'd want to kind of give you. And the second thing is also, if you have a way to improve your rankings alphabetically, think about that. Think about having a name that starts with an A or a number or something that will kind of boost you if everyone's looking for the name of a notary company. Just kind of think about if it's Hot Hands Notary. I just made that up. So maybe think about being a hot hand notary. Okay, that is the worst name in the world. Please don't use that. But if you want to have something, you have the name, maybe think about putting a or an in front of it in order to improve your rankings alphabetically. So that's the first tip. Second tip is to attend networking events. Now, some of us hate the very thought of doing this. Oh my gosh, a networking event. I'm going to gag. I'm going to just be beside myself because I don't want to see or talk to people. But you know what? Here's the thing. We're not volunteering out here. We are in business. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that as many people know about your business as possible so that they can partner with you when necessary. So keep that in mind. I know it can be a little bit to get over one's shyness and one's reserved disposition, but get over it and go to networking events and let people know how you can help them. That's it. It's not, some people kind of get caught up in the whole idea of sales. I don't like to be a salesy. I don't like to, and it's not even really about that. It's about partnering with people to help them and they help you by giving you money. Okay, so that's the next thing. Okay. The third tip that I have for you today is to know the difference between your notarial acts. You should not be out here in these notary streets if you don't know the difference between a jurat, an acknowledgement, an oath. What's an affidavit? Who's an affiant? All of those things you have got to know. So know your basics when it comes to notary law, as well as the different acts associated with being a notary. Okay. Next, look at what a notarial, an example acknowledgement looks like for your state. Make sure you know what a sample acknowledgement looks like for your state. So again, this kind of goes along with the previous tip. Make sure you know what you're doing. You cannot get yourself out there and be down bad because you accepted this, you've networked, you've accepted this assignment, and then come to find out that you just don't know what you're doing, okay? And the last tip for this particular video is to know what a sample jurat looks like for your state. As you know, if you're a newer notary or if you're investigating becoming a notary, state law kind of is really rules supreme when it comes to being a notary. So everything is very state specific. So what I want you to do is I want you to make sure that you are knowledgeable about what takes place and what is legal and allowed in your state. So that's it for the first video. I've got 22 tips that lead you into 2022 to help you as a newer notary. If you want more hands-on guidance and help and assistance, join me for the new Notary Workshop. So until then, that's it. Happy signing. Bye.